Today is the 19th of February 2021, which is a Friday, and the time right now is almost the magical 22:22, except it's 22:21, which is 10:21 p.m. Budapest time, and you can tell that trading has stopped approximately 21 or approximately 22 minutes ago. So in this video I'm going to show you my results for the day and also for the week with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest Forex trading robot in the world. So let's jump right into it. You're looking at my day on the DAX 30 chart with the M5 zoom, which means that each and every vertical candle represents 5 minutes of trading time. My day began somewhere here between the 18th and 19th. It started with a slightly bearish move and then an upward momentum for the most duration of the day. And then there was a little bit of a sideways action, then some drop, and then some sideways action until trading has stopped for the week, actually. Market's still open for another, oh, look at 2222, the magical angelic number. So the trading is still on up until 2300 hours, which is 11 p.m. in Budapest. So yeah, I mean, we had a very average kind of looking day. It seems like we had a lot of tradable moments, but what you don't see that these amplitudes are not as big as, for example, the day before yesterday, where my daily profit was a little over $515. So over $500 in one day. It was an amazing day with a lot of high volatility, almost violently aggressive moves in the price line. So I'm gonna start a new legacy here. I'm gonna start showing you my weekly results on every Friday. And since today is a Friday and it was the last trading day of the week, I sorted out all my results for this week from the 15th to the 19th, which is today. So let's sort the profits. Let's see my biggest losses for the day. Actually, for the whole week, my biggest loss was $6.07, and I remember that I created this yesterday manually while I was playing around with Mohini Chief, which is the robot, the one robot to rule them all. It's the main robot. I was actually testing it. It has a lot of functions that you can only test live. Unfortunately, they don't work with the demo, so I don't know why, but that's how it is. And I wanted to see if it closes a position, and it did close a position. It costed me $6.07. So it was intentional. I'm not just saying it, but it was truly intentional. So it was man-made, manually made. And you can see the rest of my losses. I'm not sure if they were manual or not, but as you can tell, nothing major. So everything's under $2. Yeah, I know I have a couple of them, but nothing really bad. So it's not like I have hundreds of these. What's the most number? What would I say? Like maybe it's $25. I don't know. Let's say $30, but it's 1 week's worth. Now let's see my biggest profits. Oops, what am I doing? Let me get out of here. Okay, so let me sort. All right, so my biggest profit for the week was $18.81. The second one was $14.85, and the third one was $12.70. So you can see there's a bunch of other $12 ones, $10 ones. So there's a lot of big ones for this week. Although I think I adjusted my my sell reverse and buy reverse lot sequences. I believe, was it midweek or beginning of week? I'm not sure when I did that. See, that's why I should make these videos and review them before I make the next one. I just don't have the time or the energy. Nevertheless, I have a bunch of profitable moments this week. Let's see the results. How much money did Mohini Trade make for me this week? Let's see. Let's see the number. I want to see how much money Mohini Trade did for me. $1,126.85, or in European talk, it's $1,126. In 1 week, that is 55% of my initial capital. Actually more than 55%. So this is an amazing number. Now let's see how much money it made for me today. Oh, I'm touching something else I don't want to touch. Yes. So here it is, the day. Let's see the day. Today it made me, as this was an average day, $188.03. So $188 in a day. I think that beats minimum wage. Don't you think so? All right, so let's see my exposure, my open positions. These are my open positions. After a day like this, you would expect to for me to have a bunch of buy positions, and hence, thus, you see I have those. Nothing major, nothing wildly outstanding. The total amount for my open positions is a little over $96, which is, I believe it's a lot better than healthy. Healthy would be somewhere around $200, $300. So I believe it's super extra slim, lean, mean, healthy. All right, let's see my balance here. My balance is $6,519.55. My equity is exactly my balance minus my open positions. Is $6,423.14, which I believe is pretty freaking good. Now let's take a look at mohinisystem.com or mohinisystem.hu. HU stands for Hungary, because yes, this is a Hungarian invention, Mohini Trade. This is like the Rubik's Cube of Forex, I'd say. So if you go on this website, you'll be able to see, well, not just that pretty boy, that's actually me, but you'll also be seeing some, actually, it only displays 2 live trade performances. One is mine, this is the first one that's mine, and the second one is Ildiko's, who's also a very vivid and amazing YouTuber, but she only makes videos in Hungarian. So anyways, if you scroll down this webpage, you can see a lot of information about Mohini Trade, and I highly recommend you browse through it if you're interested. If you like my results, you can see why it's getting those results for me. What's the secret? What's the science? What's the promise behind Mohini Trade? So read all this. And you can also see, educate yourself. You can buy the robot like I did for 25,000 US dollars Tether, because you purchase it for Tether USDT, or you can rent it for the same USDT. So it's in Tether. You actually trade in fiat currency like US dollars or euros. That's why I'm emphasizing that I'm making US dollars with the robot, but you pay for the robot. Whether it's a one-time payment, it's a purchase, or it's a rental, you pay with USDTs, all right? So right now we have a special going on. You only pay 150 USDTs a month, and you can trade with this robot, not up to $2,500. So it doesn't have a limit. It's limitless right now, because right now we only have these 2 tables open. Mohini plus 250 will open next month, which is a couple weeks away. At least 2 weeks of trading time for you with this, with its full potential. So no higher limit. So if you want to sign up, you sign up right now. And this will open, the plus 250 will open in March, and I believe this will open in April. The plus 70, the 200, the plus 750. Oh my gosh, I have problems with numbers. Maybe I'm tired. But you see the point. Right now, only these first 2 tables are open, March and possibly April. So I think it's a good idea for you to check out this webpage and just inform yourself, educate yourself. Now let's see my MyFX book results. So I'm just going to touch that and it'll open. Yes, here it is. You can see that it's fully legit, track record verified, trading privileges verified. It even throws me an ad. Let me try to close it. That's right. So what I'm most proud of is my gain. My gain is plus 523.16%. And that's just freaking amazing. My absolute gain is a lot less because I took out $2,500 on the 15th of January. So it's only $348.86. And actually, here's my story. If you take a look at my, well, not my profit, but my balance, you can see that I started trading with $2,000 on the 2nd of December. On my first trading day, I made $43. Leaving me with $2,043, which is freaking amazing. And that was on the 7th of December 2020, which is what, two and a half months ago. And reaching the 15th of January with 5,229 US dollars. I pulled out 2,500 US dollars, as it shows here. The withdrawal is 2,500 US dollars. And look at this. It left me with 2,840 US dollars. So that was my new capital, since I pulled out my initial capital plus $500 of extra bonus that I think I deserved. And since then, it's been trading up and away. And this is where I am right now at 6,477 US dollars. That's my current balance. So I am trading with 6,476 or 77 US dollars, but I still have $2,500 at my brokers at the internal wallet. So technically all of these together, it adds up to almost $9,000. Almost $9,000, people. That's just freaking amazing. Within 2.5 months, almost $9,000. I don't know what to say about that. You know what I mean? There's nothing you can say. Look, my monthly is 99.13%, which means that I will be doubling my money, almost doubling my money every month. Maybe it's not a month, but it's a month and 2 hours because of the 0.13%, right? So yeah, this robot is amazing. If you see my results and you like them, let me know, because drop me a line. My email address is in the description box below this video. Just touch me, reach out, touch faith. You know, I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna get you situated, get started, and make sure that you make a bucket full of money as well. So today the change was only 2.29%, but come on, my money's big. So right now it doesn't feel like a lot, but it has been a lot because I really didn't have to do anything. Just turn the robot on right there. You see the red line? That's where I had to perform an update. That's why it's there, because I had to close some positions manually. But since then, I didn't touch my robot, didn't turn it on or off. Well, I turned it on there, but I didn't turn it off after that. So it's been trading since then. And look, it's been bringing it. So if you want the robot, touch base with me, man. My email address is here in the description box below. And technically, that's it. These were my results for the week. I'm hoping to start a brand new account next week, Monday. So these videos might be a little longer in the future. Not that they were short to begin with, but I will be starting a brand new account. And you know, I purchased this robot. So all of these results with a robot that I purchased for 25,000 USDTs. But I'm about to make that other account very special with only 2,000 some $100 that I'm going to start trading with. Let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to start trading it with some rented robots. So I'm not going to use the robot that I bought, not this, but I'm going to use this robot, the Mohini Plus 100. I'm going to trade with this. So you will be seeing if you have 2,000 some dollars and let's say 150 US dollars a month, and an extra $50 for the VPS, because you need VPS if you want to trade. You don't want to do it from your home computer, because what if the power goes out, or if the internet goes out, or the dog pisses on it, or the cat spills your wine on the keyboard and your computer just dies or goes up in smoke, then you know your money can go up in smoke as well. So I'll be spending approximately $200, so 150 for the USDTs and another 50 for the VPS. But I'll be spending $200 to trade with $2,000, and I'll be starting it next week. So watch out for my results. If you're interested in having the same results, just reach out. You don't have to spend $25,000. You can also start renting it, and I'll hook you up. I'm going to show you how it's done. Why don't you be a professional at this? This is the new age way of making gold. I mean, I don't know how to put it in any other way. This is your new alchemy. You know what I mean? 21st century alchemy. You're making gold at this time. So I'm pretty excited, but I'm very happy that I had a very, very profitable week. I'm going to relax this weekend and probably put together my brand new account, my brand new MetaTrader with Mohini, the rented one with this, the Mohini Plus 100. And that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Right. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Oh gosh. Hocus pocus. Where's my focus? Gosh darn it.